Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are well. I am Sufyan. I am an alim. I have done alimiyat from Jamia Islamia Bhatkal and Fazila from Darul Uloom Nadwatul Ulama Lucknow. Presently, I am enrolled in a personality development course in Madarasa Baitul Uloom, Sindgi, Karnataka, where I learn spoken English, spoken Arabic and computer. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Madarasa Baitul Uloom and Sunnah English Medium School for imparting us the art of public speaking. Respected teachers and all my friends, today I am here to talk about the confidence. Confidence is the remarkable quality that can truly improve our lives. When we are confident, when we believe in ourselves, we can accomplish great things. It gives us the courage to step out of our comfort zone and take risks and perceive our objectives. Confidence is like a superpower that can empower us to overcome challenges and difficulties. It gives us to step forward through life with determination and commitment. When we are confident, we can face our fear. We can turn them into opportunities for the growth and our self-improvement. One of the key to build the confidence is self-acceptance. We have to embrace our strength and our weakness. Remember that no one is perfect in this life. Just we have to embrace our uniqueness. We have to celebrate our achievement, no matter it is big or small. The confidence is different from arrogance. My confidence allows for me to see the talents and skills within the air of gratitude and appreciation. And my confidence also allows for me to see the areas which we have to improve. When we are confident, we can create a positive impact in the world. We can empower around us. We can inspire the world. So, in conclusion, confidence is a powerful attribute that can make a significant difference in our lives. So may Allah bless us with the good confidence which can which can help us to achieve in this world, in the hereafter. I conclude my speech thanking you all for listening to me with a great patience, like an attentive listener. Thank you so much and have a great day.